welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I have been filming videos on frugal living, planning, how to plan out your finances, all things frugal lifestyle. If that is something that you are interested in, then hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss any videos that I upload in the future. I am so excited about today's video. It's actually going to be my first decorate with me. So this is the planner that I will be decorating, and I am just in love with the Happy Planner. For those of you who are not into decorating your planner, I did not even know that this existed, and the moment that I saw some videos, I was just like so excited that this is a thing. And yes, I know that I am behind the times and I am so behind on the whole decorating and planning world, but I have always been into planners. I just didn't know that decorating them was actually something that people did. And my best friend was actually like, yeah, Lizzie, that's a thing. So yeah, I am so behind, but I am so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how I've actually decorated some of the spreads on my current planner, which is the Happy Planner. This is actually the student edition, and I am actually really liking this planner. And I had taken out some of the months just because it was so bulky. If this is something that you would like to watch and see how I have been decorating my planner, then keep on watching. Let's just go into today's decorating video. So this is my planner and I am so in love with it. This is the washi tape that I'm going to be using, and I think it's really cute for the fall, and I'm just so in love with this cover. I think it's so cute and girly. And I have decorated some of the week spreads so far, so this is just a sneak peek of that. And this is the week that I'm going to be decorating, and what's really nice about the Happy Planner is that you can remove the pages and it makes it so much easier to decorate. So I like to line it up, and I'm going to be taking some of this washi tape, and I like it because it's so cute. It has the leaves and it's the fall colors, and since this is like the first week of autumn pretty much, because it'll be the 22nd, I'm just going to be using those colors. And I have some of these stickers, and I think this is really cute. I would want to use more of like the green tones and, you know, really stay with the fall color. And what's nice about decorating your planner is you can use stickers, you can use washi tape, and there's so many different options. And I keep all of my like colorful pens and markers in this cute little bag. I really like it. And I'm just going to be taking out a pen, that way I can mark off important events. And I start by using some of this washi tape and just placing it on the border. I think it just makes it a lot easier for me to start off decorating my spread. So I'm just going to put this on both sides, and I just think it looks really cute. It's so pretty. I love the colors. And then next I have this smaller washi tape, and you can place this wherever. I just kind of wanted to layer mine, so I'm just going to place this a little above the washi tape I placed right at the bottom. And then I have this other decorative washi tape for the fall, and what I wanted to do, I just wanted to cut out pieces for specific dates. And it's kind of nice because you can use it as like a header for a sticker that says like to do or my plan, something like that. But I just wanted to place this throughout this spread, and I'll just be placing it on Monday, towards the bottom on Wednesday's date. And I just want to put this all around. It doesn't have to be perfect. What I like about decorating my planner is that it does not have to be perfect. You can kind of have like mess ups here and there, but I've been learning as I've been decorating each week. I feel like every week gets a little bit better in the way I decorate. And then next I have these stickers here, and I really like this one that says hello today. I feel that it just goes so well with this week. It has the green, and I just think it looks so cute. So you can place any of these stickers like right in between dates, and it just makes it look so nice. I love stickers. Who here loves stickers? I feel that they just look so, they make everything look so nice. And I'm gonna go in and place this weekend sticker. Like I said, I'm gonna be using a lot of like the green and the autumn colors. So I'm just gonna place this here. I just think it looks so cute. It's so hard to choose which stickers you're gonna place. I don't know if you all feel the same way, but when you have so many options, it's so hard to decide which one you're gonna place on each week. But I love the different stickers here. I think these are so cute. And I like these stickers here. They have church, a gym, lunch date, and on Sundays I do go to church, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place this church sticker on Sunday. And look at these stickers here. I got these from a scrapbook booklet, and I think that they're so cute. And I'm actually gonna use one of these stickers for one of these days on the spread. Now, how many of you are like at first undecided on where you want to place a sticker? You see me, I'm just like trying to figure out where I want the sticker to go. But over here, I am going to be covering up some wording on the side. I think it said like what I learned or something like that, but it's nice that you can just cover up words with stickers. That's the beauty of it. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some hearts here to be able to make a list for the week. And then I like to place my work schedule up in the top portion of the boxes. And I am going to be going to a training for the majority of the week. I leave on Tuesday, and it's probably it's going to take me about 2 hours to get to this training with traffic and everything. So I'm going to be at a hotel, and it's the first time I'm going to be away from my husband. I've never been away from him that long, so I'm kind of sad, but it's work, so they're paying for it, and that's a blessing. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take this decorative washi tape, and I'm just going to make like these little flags, and you can cut the little triangle out of it. I hope I'm explaining that right, but you could just make it into a flag, and I'm just going to place this above the cheerful sticker, and it just makes it look so much more nicer, I feel, with this washi tape. And you could just cut it with scissors, or some people use like a plastic card from a store, and it just feels so good when you place some stickers on paper. I don't know how many of you feel that way. But next, I am going to be doing the same thing on this side. I'm just going to be placing another washi tape with that flag style cutout, and I'm just going to layer it on top of this washi tape. I think it looks so cute. I really like it. And like I said, you could just make it your own. You don't have to do it the way I am decorating it, but this is just to give you an idea, I guess, to decorate your planner. And I hope it inspires you guys. And again, we are just using some more washi tape. I'm just going to make a little border on the bottom. And I just think that using washi tape, it's so pretty, and it's really nice because they come in so many different like colors and designs. So I really recommend, if you plan on decorating your planner, then get some washi tape. You can find them at the dollar store, I saw. And I'm going in with some more of these stickers. I have these flower looking stickers where you can mark off on a particular day to make a list, and I really like them. I think that they are really cute. I just love the look of this spread, and I really like the fact that you can really show your personality on each week, and you can decorate it based on how you're feeling or what you are expecting to happen the next week that you're decorating. So just make it your own, you know, have fun while you are decorating your planner. I love it. I think it's so cute. And I am liking these stickers here, and they say pay bill, so you can mark off a bill that's due on a particular day, and that way you will not miss out on paying that bill. You do not want to get a late payment, so this can keep you in check. And I'm just marking off on Thursday what I am planning on doing, which I receive my pay stub on Thursday, and I do get paid on Friday the 28th. So Thursday I like to plan out my budget so that I can withdraw the cash the day that I get paid, which would be Friday. And I'm just doing a little doodle here. I think it looks really cute when you just doodle on your journal or your planner and just personalize it. And that is what I'm going to be doing over here on the weekend. I am going to make like a DIY banner, and you'll see how I am going to be making the flags in just a bit using washi tape. So using any washi tape, what you're going to do is you're going to cut out like triangle shapes. So you can cut out whatever size you want. You can make them bigger or smaller. And what you're going to do is you're going to place them right on the edge of the line. So it looks like the flag is waving, or the banner is waving and flying in the air, I guess. That's kind of the effect I was going for. I think it came out okay. This is the first time that I'm doing this, but I think it came out really cute, and it makes a statement on my planner. And when I look at things like this on my planner, it just makes me so happy. The fact that I was trying to go the extra mile to be creative and just, I guess, try something new. And I am very happy with the way it came out. So I recommend trying something new on your spread. What would you want to see different on your planner? I know that I am not the most creative person, but the more that you practice and the more that you look at things like this, your creative juices will start flowing, I guess. So I'm using another style of washi tape, and I made it a little smaller. I cut triangles a little smaller, that way it looks like there's bigger flags and smaller flags on the banner. So it's kind of like what you see at stores, and I really like how this turned out. And to make the flag stand out a little bit more, you can trace the outer edge of each washi tape, and I like how this looked. I really like the look of it. So I am all done with decorating this week's spread. And now once you're done, you can go ahead and insert each of the pages back into your happy planner. And that is it. I love the way it turned out. I think it looks so cute and really in season. And this is the previous week. I was trying to go with like that blue gold theme, and it has like the fall leaves up at the top. And I just really love how everything turned out. I hope that you all enjoyed this, and hopefully it inspired you to decorate your planner. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you really enjoyed and were inspired by how I am decorating my planner. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you use? Are you a washi tape girl? Are you a sticker lover? Just let me know. So leave it in the comments, and if this is something that you liked, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel a lot. It allows YouTube to realize that this is something that people are interested in, and it will like bring it up to like recommended videos. So it really does help me a lot. I will catch you all on my next video. Bye.